Hi, everyone. I'm Mariana Bonanome, CEO of Rationarium, and I'm here today to introduce myself and share with you some background on why my co-founder, Andrew Parker, and I started Rationarium. We're professors, educational content authors, and open source community members. Over the years, we've noticed that our students were not purchasing their textbooks, so we decided to take matters into our own hands by authoring our own content, both textbook content and software content. Together, we've won grants from the Department of Education and the NSF and led dozens of faculty in creating and adopting open access content. In doing so, we've saved our students millions of dollars over the last 6 years. We've also started projects and led faculty teams cross campus to do the same, to develop materials and implement them and adopt them so that they can save their students millions of dollars as well. So along the way, we've become experts of the Web 2.0 technology that we rely on, and we've also made significant improvements to it. Importantly, we know what educators need in their technology and what that technology should do so that we can create and we can deliver quality instruction. We've pushed technological boundaries and we know exactly what needs improvement in terms of the following things: content creation, organization, and sharing. There are significant pain points trying to maintain an open access repository, especially like the one we work with. It has more than 60,000 problems, and it needs to be easily accessible to those who need to use it in order for it to have any kind of benefit. Funding for authors. Many of the authors we work with have contributed their open source content without any kind of support or funding, without any hope of royalties in return. This can be addressed. Usage statistics. Many of us have no idea how many thousands of students are using our work and how they're engaging with it. What kind of efficacy do we have with the content that we create? Many times we're flying blind. Infrastructure maintenance. As I mentioned, when you have repositories of 60,000 problems or more, there needs to be funds available to maintain that infrastructure. And also license enforcement. Not all open access licenses are the same. Many times authors choose a license that does not allow for commercial use, but there's really no way to enforce that license. And so even if commercial providers come in and use this content and profit off of it, there's nothing that the content author can do to address this. So as I've outlined, there are many pain points here with dealing with large repositories of open access content. However, we have a solution. We're currently developing a Web 3.0 decentralized application. It's relying on blockchain technology. And we believe that the technology has come to the point where we can address these many issues. Our D app is going to act as a marketplace, which is going to connect the creators and the learners. And all the while, it's going to provide for a transparent accounting for every single transaction. This way, authors can get royalties should they choose. Students can have access to their data, regardless of whether they're contracting with a particular provider. And providers can contract with creators to create the content they need and go in and have fresh, organized content to choose from so that they can deliver that content to their learners, their users. In this situation, everyone wins, especially the students. Thank you for your attention. We're so excited to work with you. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. We hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.